Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix local area network doesn't have a valid IP configuration. Let's start by right-clicking on the Start menu and then on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the terminal. First, free the DNS cache. Run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Now renew the WinSock catalog. For this, you are going to execute the command netsh winsock reset. To complete the process, restart your operating system. When you access the system again, enter Reset in the search box. Open Network Reset. After this, click Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. Close this pop-up window. When you do, restart your computer to apply this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, enter services in the search box. Open local services. Here, select and double-click on the DHCP client service. Confirm that the option Automatic is in the Startup Type field. Close this window. Finally, in the search box, enter View. Open View Network Connections. There, right-click on the network adapter and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. You are going to check the option, use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the public address of some of public DNS. Apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.